The Subaru Crosstrek key fob, model years 2013 to 2025, is designed for easy battery replacement. Most models feature a snap-open case, eliminating the need for screws. To begin, locate the small notch or seam on the back of the fob. Insert a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into this seam. Gently pry the case open, being careful not to damage the internal electronics. Newer models, 2022 plus, are designed to pop open more easily. Avoid using excessive force. Once open, you'll have access to the battery compartment. This simple design makes DIY battery replacement straightforward for most owners. The Subaru Crosstrek key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Note the orientation of the old battery before removing it. The positive plus side should be facing up. Remove the old battery and insert the new CR2032, ensuring the positive side is still facing up. Properly aligned polarity is critical for the fob to function. After inserting the new battery, snap the case shut, ensuring it's securely closed. Test the fob's functionality by pressing the lock, unlock, and panic buttons. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation. In rare cases, you may need to reprogram the fob via the vehicle's infotainment system by holding the lock button for 5 seconds while in range of the car. Use high-quality CR2032 batteries to avoid premature failure or leaks.